Little Timmy, stay out of the... Bruh. Guys, I hate when this happens. No. Little Timmy, stay out of the kitchen. We're gonna be talking, okay, I guess. Wait, I used the wrong one. Okay, Dad. Oh, I hate when they talk. Like, bro, it's all yelling and screaming. I think we should get married today. Why? So I can throw you out the window. What? Never. But I think we should get married. But we are married. Yeah. But should we pretend like we're not gonna get married and prank Johnny? Yeah, should we do that? Yeah, let's go do that. Let's act like we're screaming. I hate you so much. Why you make everything feel so bad? Ah! Oh my god! Oh my god! Gerald! What the heck happened to my dad? Son, actually come in here. Okay. Oh, hey, whatever. What the heck happened to Dad? Bro's dead. Did he fall off? Yeah. I thought this was closed. Ow. Oh no. Wait, this would be a girl wig, okay? Or no? Oh my god, cutie. You're dead. Haha, I didn't look. Who is that? Oh, you better not be cheating. Hey, who are you? Uh-oh. I'm his friend. Okay, good. Did he die down there? Yeah. Oh. Okay, well, I need to go upstairs. Revives. Dies. No, he died. No, I didn't. I'm right here. I revived myself. What the frick? No, bro, you forgot we can revive? Yeah. I hate you. What did you just say? I hate you. Oh, frick. I was just joking. I'm feeling pretty loaded. Loki! What the frick is that noise? Uh-oh. Lock the window. Okay, yeah, it's locked. Why would you do that? I don't know. Bro, what? Why is everything so big? I'm on a chair, babe. Yay. I know you're on a chair, bro. It's Somebody just sleeping. Banana in his home sleeping. Banana. Okay, guys, we should what the frick? I'm hungry. Go make yourself some food. Okay. Get out of my way, son. But get the frick out of my way. I smell food. I smell food. Bridget picked up the Hunter oven. Eats food, num num num. Okay, son. Son, come right here. Okay, Dad. Well, get the. I think Dad threw himself out the window again. He's a mean. He needs to stop throwing himself out of the window. Okay, so like I was trying to say is, we're getting married. AK, we're not gonna get married. You're not? Yeah, you're not. No. Then I'm gonna go to adoption center. Where? I hate you too. What? I said, I hate you too. LeBron James. What the frick? What the frick? Why is there bombs? Honey! There's bombs in the room. Haha. I don't care. I'm eating. No, you shoot them. And then an airplane just comes crashing into the building. I feel a little bit low-key. The captain speaking. We're going airborne. We are in the air, boy. What do you mean we're going airborne? I mean we're crashing. We're going down. Ah! Oh my God! Oh, whatever my head just. Oh my God! Feel like I wanna go build. Cause she damn tasty cake. Get ready to baby. And then you too. So what the heck just happened? I need to go outside for a little. I need to go. What? Guys, I hate this. Did bro just do the 6-7? I feel a little bit low-key. I'm a bulldozer. What the frick? I'm flying! Launches him. I'm heading face first into to the... What the frick? What happened? Oh my god. There's another airplane coming at us. What? I feel a little bit low-key. I hate helicopters. What the frick? Look at the way they just explode. What the frick? Just boom, 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 boom. Banana's still sleeping. What the frick? Whatever, there's something bad, it's not probably happening. The building, meanwhile, it's coming down. What? I have my girlfriend gets thrown. There's probably nothing bad happening. Meanwhile, the building is doing all their thing. The building is getting attacked. There's a freaking helicopter up there. I feel a bit low-key. There you go. Uh-oh. Okay, now I'm going. Dook, 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 dook. Da, da, da. That is the building exploding. I'm burning. I wanted a good night's sleep. Meanwhile, it's morning. Wait, why the heck do I hear a nuclear bomb?